Hi everyone, welcome again. In this video, I will show you how to insert an image in a Word document. Let's say you have downloaded an image from Google search and saved it on your computer. Open your Word document and place your cursor where you want to insert the image. I want to place the image between these two paragraphs. Then go to Insert tab. Then click on Pictures and select the desktop or wherever your image is placed. Choose the image and click Insert. You can resize image by dragging corners or using picture tools. You can reduce size or you can increase image size. Even you can align the image in various ways. It is left aligned, you can align it center, you can align it on the right. In my case, I want image to be center aligned. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.